नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है हमारा एजुकेशन चैनल पर। यहाँ आपको मिलेगा पढ़ाई से जुड़ा हर जरूरी विषय आसान भाषा में, रोचक तरीके से। हमारा मकसद है सीखो सरलता से, बढ़ो आत्मविश्वास से। तो जुड़िए हमारे साथ और बनाइए अपनी पढ़ाई को और भी मज़ेदार। अगर आपको हमारा प्रयास अच्छा लगे तो चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। Today, we are going to talk about the Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Admission Test 2025-26, also called OA VET. If you are planning to get admission in class 6, 7, 8 or 9, this video is for you. So let's get started. Class 6 admission. For students seeking admission in class 6, here are the important details. First, examination duration 2 hours. Language Odia and English. Subject English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. From class 5 syllabus. Marks 15 marks per subject. Total questions 60. Total marks 60. So, make sure you study your class 5 syllabus carefully to score well. Class 7 admission. Students who want to join class 7, here what you need to know. Exam duration 3 hours. Language Odia and English. Subject English, Odia, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. From class 6 syllabus. Marks 20 marks per subject. Total questions 100, total marks 100. Remember, this test is based on the previous class syllabus, so revise class 6 thoroughly. Important point for all classes. Before we end, here are some key points you must remember. Point number 1, all questions are objective types, MCQs. Point 2, each question carry 1 mark. Point 3, question paper are available in both Odia and English. Point 4, study the previous class syllabus to perform well. Follow these tips, revise well, and you will be ready for the exam. That's all for today's video on OAVT 2025-26 admission detail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all. See you the next video with exam tips and preparation strategy. Bye.